What is up, guys? Jamaica Risk Gamer here with another reaction. Pew! What's up, guys? What's up? I'm just playing. Hey, we're back again with another one. Today, guys, we're here with Young Thug, Stormzy, Quissy Arthur. The song named Sorry, it's a remix. They don't say Stormzy up on the remix. I think these guys are the original. Stormzy up on the remix. Big up Stormzy, big up the 7GGG. Big up them two artists here. Your Thug and Quissy Arthur. I'm sorry if I mess up on the name. I don't know. I first see you know. But I'm sure say one of big cars. Numbers, views, don't lie. Alright? So we're gonna come straight tonight and react. We are reacting a little bit of breakdown, but we are mainly reacting to this one today. Alright? So let's go.
Yo, ice on my gang, yeah, cool. Boys stay hard, yeah, cool. Step on set, one fight, got somebody, yeah, joy, yeah, cool.
Hold on. So that's how the song started, or this was a previous song? Or this is the original song? Because it's in black and white. So let's see. Oh, okay. Here we go.
With my G's, yeah.
So this scene seemed like it was set in Africa, somewhere in Africa. I'm not sure which country, probably Ghana, because Stormzy is from Ghana. So I'm not sure which part it is set, but I think it's probably set in Ghana. More than likely set in Ghana. So big up the Ghanaian them, big up all Africans. You see me? Big up on the surf, on the music. I reach new heights, bro. New heights.
Yo.
I love Chris Rich.
Yo, this have a vibe to it. This have a actual bounce. This have a vibe to it. The song not start yet, just the beat, but it have a vibe, yo. I love it.
I don't want send twos, my bros. Young boo coming, I'm dealing with goats. Yeah, one test, yeah, I feel. Getting my packs and building my bones.
Voila. What him say a while ago? Him say something a while ago. Me don't want it miss me.
I don't want send twos, my bros. Young boo coming, I'm dealing with goats.
Okay, Young Bull coming, I'm dealing with goats. So him call himself Young Bull, it's Stormzy the goat. You don't know, it's Stormzy put the work in Stormzy up there, proper. You see me? So, him a big up Stormzy there, so him a pay him homage to Stormzy, which is nice, it's good, you know? Yeah.
Yeah, one test, yeah, I feel. Getting my packs and building my bones, yeah. On the road coming, you found back up, me, I know we coming. Young boo tracks, yeah, I'm killing your dummies. One to me for this, that ain't coming. Yeah, I'm on guard, wishing the grave for my dogs.
This is fire, fam. This is actually fire. This is actually fire, bro. This is actually fire. I'm impressed. I'm impressed with these guys. Last of all, look in the background, guys. There's lots of, you know, anytime there's a video shooting back home, there's always kids and people about, you know. It's so the whole community come out to come support them talent, them star, you know.
Let's go. But if you got lost, oh my god, yeah, I know I saw to me more. Mr. Shah said this man's got me lost, so I drawn for them on the line. Got plans with another lad. Big stacks, so I going for a better line. Got rings, I go hard on niggas, I'm better than whoa. African boy with a big drip. Yeah, I grind for the big pick.
African boy with a big drip, yeah, I grind for the big pick. So basically, the big screen, him want up on the big screen, on your screen everywhere in the world. That is film dream, that is film goal. I told my mom I'm gonna slack. I told my mom I'm not gonna slack. I'm a big fish. No, the big fish part. We Jamaican really like fish, cause you know it's a fish. Let's go there.
Good moments like I'm a big fish. Big stage with the day one stop this. Get it. Spin that. Grind for them money, no girls, no hoes. Came as a food and 10 so gold. Mama made it, see I'm gold.
Mama made it, see I'm gold. Yo, this is one year Stormzy first span a beat, yeah. 1 year Stormzy verse. I'm excited to hear Stormzy first span this. Let's go.
Yeah, I make your mama. Yeah, I make your mama. Yeah, I make your mama. Mama, yeah, I make your mama. Yeah, that's sorry. Yeah, that's sorry. Yeah, that's sorry.
Yeah,
that's sorry.
just dream it.
Back on. Big Mike, wake up yourself. He just coming smooth and nice. Yeah. Big Mike on the remix. You don't live the life. You just dream. Listen, basically, man, tell you, basically, bro, you do not live this life. You're just dreaming it. Shut your mouth. Let's go again.
Yeah. Big Mike on the remix. You don't live the life. You just dream it. Don't mind them boys. They don't mean it. If I slap your face, you're gonna feel it.
Don't mind them boys. They don't mean it. If I slap him in his face, him I go feel it. Of course, I go feel it. Big Mike, look how your hand them big like cardboard box. Eh? Look how your hand them big like plyboard. Of course, if you smack somebody, them I go feel it, bro. Come on, bro.
Slide in the middle like Grealish. My next six bigger than my previous. Red lights looking all greenish. Fake niggas call me blood, I get squeamish.
Ew. Fake niggas call me blood. I get squeamish. I just can't stand them. I don't like them. I hate them. Fake niggas, that's what I must say. Fake niggas call me blood, I get squeamish. Sorry. Fake niggas call me blood, I get squeamish. I don't like them. Move on.
The boys just way too bossy. Double platinum from Bossy. 5 times double platinum, get them off me, yeah.
5 times double platinum, get them off of him. Try come take them off of him. That's what I must say. Double platinum 5 times. That's a achievement, dog. That is big. No joke.
I'm a real foul you like Joffrey. I am the king, nobody can't stop me. See when I get the job done, that's I was cooling, I was resting. But this year, next year, I'm on the next thing. Master my flow and my style to perfection. Tell the truth and it sounds like I'm flexing.
Master and flow and
But this year, next year, I'm on the next thing. Master my flow and my style to perfection. Tell the truth and it sounds like I'm flexing.
Master and flow and yo, basically, he might tell us, listen, me not have no time for the little boy thing. Me telling you the truth about my style and my flow, and on the things say me a flex, me a show off. I'm not showing off, guys. I'm not showing off, man. Me I tell the truth. You see me? Oftentimes when people tell the truth about something, people say, "Oh, you're rude and you're arrogant." No, I'm telling the truth. I'm speaking my truth. You get so don't get them truth mixed up with arrogance, bro. You see me?
Big Mike, my fam call me Junior. My bad, I should have pulled up sooner. Look at my eyes, see Kwame and Nkrumah. That's a real presidential black man.
Huh? My brother should have pulled up sooner. My brother. Wait a minute. I don't want to think that's what is me.
My bad, I should have pulled up sooner. Look at my eyes, see Kwame and Nkrumah. That's a real presidential black man. Real revolution starter. And I ball like the Utes in Barca. Bare chest thing when I walk through Ghana. And I don't do beef, I do karma.
Did he just say that? Did he just say he don't do beef, he do karma? That is interesting there. That is interesting. I'm not going to say much on it because I don't want to stray from these youth remix. Stormzy, I'm still waiting for you to reply. Directly. Not indirectly. Directly to Chip, bro. I'm still waiting. Bro.
And I ball like the Utes in Barca. Bare chest thing when I walk through Ghana. And I don't do beef, I do karma. I swear we're the last ones left. The man them love cuff, cuff, queff. And anywhere I see you dons in the flesh, just know that I can't let you go like Steph.
I swear we're the last one left. The man them love kuf kaf kwef. Kuf kaf kwef. Kuf kaf is a Jamaican thing. When say kuf kaf kwef, a gunshot you get. Kuf kaf kwef. You see me? And them I say, yo, him swear when him see them man in the flesh. Trouble there your foot. I take off my glass. When in a trouble, you know. When in a bomb buckler trouble. That's how it stand there. So let's go. Like this one.
Straight to the top, why I go stop? I started with zero. Started from nothing. DC I chalk, but you still the flop. It might be your ego.
It's bad. In fire. First verse fire. Stanza verse fire. This is gonna be fire too. It start off fire. Let's go.
I take off my Tina, I'll be any BB. I think I'm a hero. R.I.P. Biggie, I'm learning from Diddy. You niggas be emo.
R.I.P. Biggie, I'm learning from Diddy. You niggas be emo. Bad boy, them can't find me like Nemo.
Boy, then they find me like Nemo. Back case, money played, yo, fuck games. If you got problem, just call me up. Why you they move like a bad bitch? I did bantama with savages. That bro, as a campaign. I'm eyeing the heavens, I pass space. In tough times, I just my still.
I'm eyeing the heaven, the past space. You see how I'm there? I in the heavens is past space, dog.
Tag like 10 toes. No need pain throw. My you will prefer you, I wish me. I wish it back tenfold. But to shine it though. My guy, my shake bow. I still know the fuck with the other side. I still right with my bros. For all of my niggas.
Hey. Yeah, I'm making mama. Yeah, I'm making mama. Yeah, I'm making mama. Mama, yeah, I'm making mama.
All right. No, this is a fact now. You see the guys them back home, the guys them whether Ghana, Caribbean, anyway, them sweat less than the guys that come from America, Canada, or England, or wherever, Europe, wherever. Go back to them country. Those guys sweat more than the guy that live there. Look how Stormzy sweat, and look how them and them not sweat. And them all do the same type of thing. Them a dance and a jump around. Stormzy sweat more. This is a fact. This is a fact.
Gendy on the mix.
I love Chris Rich.
I like this, you know. This is a fire song. I like it. Big up the young artists. Big up the artists. Big up the artists. Big up the young artists. Seeing the on the screen. Big him up. Yo, guys, that was a fire track. That was a fire track. Something you can vibe to. Even if you don't understand everything what the African guys are saying, you can still vibe to it. You can still, you know? Yeah, it's a vibe. Big up Stormzy verse. Stormzy verse was fire. I think some shots. But you know what it is though, really? Really and truly, guys. Anything where Stormzy say was sound as if it's going to chip, people are going to say it's going to chip. Even though if it's just a general statement, people are going to say that. Because people is so hungry for a reply. That's all it is. People are so hungry for a reply. But Stormzy not going to reply now. He's not going to reply directly now. We know that. You see me? So, big up Stormzy, man. Stormzy out here doing thing. You see me? Stormzy are doing things. Stormzy are fire double plaque. I'm telling the verse. You see me? So, yeah, guys. This is where I'm going to end the video, yeah? So, if you like the video, please like the video. And if you notice, guys, I didn't pause as much. But generally, guys, I pause every 10 seconds. So, the guys that's in the comment section that's complaining about that is what we do over here, guys. I'm sorry. But this is what we do over here. We break down. Because the artists them spend so much time putting in the work for we as reactors miss them bars, you know? Miss them bars. I break down them bars, you know? So, that is why I pause so much anyway. To give homage to the artist them song. So big up on yourself anyway, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one, alright? Peace.